Alright guys, so welcome back, and today we are upcycling. It is a upcycle day. So you see this little white dress here. This is Mama's dress, and I've only worn it maybe 1 or 2 times, so I really like it. And so my daughter and I are planning on going to a wedding. So my thought is I could take this dress, cut it about where that bottom button is, and then use the bottom of the dress for my daughter's wedding dress and just add like a bodice to it, and keep the top of the dress and then eventually add a skirt to it so I can have something to wear as well. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Let's get into this project. Hey guys, so since I am the queen of making it work with scrap fabric, I have these 2 pieces of scrap fabric, the pink and the light pink floral. And what we're going to do is the floral is actually going to be the bodice to my dress for my daughter. And then I'm going to use the hot pink to be like a sweetheart neckline accent. All right. So we got the binding sewed on, and you sew your binding on to the back of your fabric, the wrong side of the fabric, and that way you can fold it up and over, and so the good side will get that final fold. So that is what we have done here. So the bodice is done, yay, and I am pinning the bodice in place. Now the skirt, it was enough to do a full gather, so what I did was pleated the skirt. I did 2 pleats on either side. I know, hopefully y'all can't hear my husband in the background. We did 2 pleats on either side in the front, and then 2 little pleats in the back. So that was enough to kind of take up the extra fabric. So right now I am pinning everything in place. I marked my front center and back center, got those lined up. My side seams were already lined up, so right now we are just doing the last of it. Picked up a flower, so we're gonna just pin this, and I haven't decided if I'm gonna if I am going to sew. Oh, toddler drama. If I'm going to sew it down, because it kind of leans forward because of the weight of it. But I think, guys, it turned out really simple. I'm going to probably pull her hair up into a ponytail and put like a little pink ribbon in her, in bow on her ponytail, guys. If you can tell, my daughter loves pink. But I think this is a cute little simple dress. It's something that she can even take this into the fall with like a white turtleneck underneath, you know, and some tights or some leggings. So I'm really happy, really basic. I use the exact same bodice pattern for like every dress that I make her and just change up the details. So we're all done, guys. We're all done with our project. I hope you liked it. Y'all know the drill. You're not supposed to move. Like, comment, and subscribe, and you will see me and the dude in the next video. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Bye.